Patil Suresh. Faculty members, proud families, and the most important, the graduating class of 2024. Today we gather this momentous occasion of the graduation of our talented veterinary students who have completed their rigorous course of study and now they are poised to embark on their professional careers. This day marks a significant milestone in your journey towards becoming a compassionate and skilled veterinarian, and I am honored to address you on this auspicious occasion. To the graduating class of 2024, I extend my warmest congratulations on reaching this pivotal moment in your lives. Your hard work, dedication, and passion for well-being of the animals have brought you to this day. And I commend each one of you on this outstanding achievement. You have demonstrated tenacity and commitment to excellence throughout your academic journey, and today we celebrate your success and potential as a future leaders in the veterinary field. As you reflect on your time here at the esteemed institution, remember the countless hours of studying, the hands-on experience in the clinics and laboratories, the unwavering support of your professors, mentors, and classmates. These experiences have shaped you into the competent and compassionate veterinarians that you are today. And they will continue to guide you as you navigate the challenges and the reward of the chosen profession. With the release of the souvenir Payana on this special day makes it so as a tangible reminder of this knowledge gained. Friendships formed and the experience shared during your time as a result of your hard work, dedication, and commitment to the health and well-being. You to continue learning, growing, and making a positive impact in the field of veterinary science. As you prepare to embark on your professional career, remember the words of wisdom from your professors and mentors, the lessons you learned from clinical experience, and the values instilled you during your time as a veterinary student. The challenges that lie ahead with courage and determination, and never lose sight of being embodied empathy, integrity, and lifelong learning in your way work as a veterinarian. To the families, friends, faculties, and the staff who have supported and encouraged our graduating students along their journey, we extend our deepest gratitude for your unwavering support and guidance. Your contribution have been invaluable in helping these students reaching their significant milestone, and we thank you all for standing by them every step of the way. In the closing, as you move forward from this day, remember that knowledge and skill you have acquired here are not just tools for your profession, but instruments of service, compassion for the animals in your care. In your actions, speak volumes about your commitments to making a difference in the lives of animals and the communities you serve for. Congratulations to all the graduates of class 24. May you go forward and with confidence, compassion, and the sense of purpose as you embark on a journey as a veterinarian. I once again thank you all for giving me an opportunity to address this august gathering. I also thank all the faculty members who have wholeheartedly elected me for the Veterinary Council of India. I once again thank you all. Thank you. And from this day onwards, you all graduates will be coming out of the college. You know, it's a lot of opportunities of veterinarians. Don't just think of going to government services. There are a lot of opportunities in private industries. The poultry industry is open. A lot of pharmaceuticals is open. Research lines are open. Do your talented thing. You know, it's not just book work. You know, you come out of the college, you get into the industry. You know, like you'll have to do a lot of homework before getting into all these places. A lot of tools are available. Update yourself day in, day out. Update yourself every day. Learning is a process. Kindly do that. Thank you. Thank you for listening. Thank you.